Hello, I'm Seth Johnson with Land House. So in today's tiny house video, I'm going to be considering the urine catchment for the composting toilet area. Kind of an interesting topic, but so because you don't want to mix your solids with your liquids because it creates a terrible smell, you have to separate them. So what I'm going to do is have a funnel that will be attached to a stick or a lever over here, and so under here we'll bring the funnel up to be used over the opening here, and a hose will go to a 5-gallon bucket. Now, because 5 gallons of pee is going to be really heavy, this is what I've got in mind. I'm going to use a product called Unisil to go into the top and side of the barrel, and this allows for a PVC pipe to securely fit into a tank. So basically the funnel will have a tube that goes into the top of the bucket through one of these, and then I'm going to have a hose for draining this outside with the same Unisil. So let's install that now. The first thing I'm going to do is take a rasp and get the edges of my pipe beveled down a little bit. It's going to allow the pipe to slide into the Unisil smoothly. Once it's beveled down, take it and make sure all the sharp edges and debris is pulled off of that pipe. I'm using a 3/4 Unisil, so I'm going to use a 1 1/4 hole saw, and I think I'm going to offset a little bit here, so if I have to adjust the hose, I can just turn the bucket here. Oops, I might have to tighten this down. Drill bit keeps coming loose from my hole saw here. There we go. Good enough. Alright, now I'm going to do the bottom one down here as well. Alright, so I've got the hole put in here. Next I'm going to just insert the Unisil into that hole, like that. Okay. Now I've got this little tub of detergent. Basically it's just kitchen sink soap and water. And I'm going to put that on the outside of the pipe and also the inside of the Unisil here. This just helps reduce the friction while you install the pipe. So, let's see what we get here. There. So even with the soap, it's fairly tight here. So, there we go. I'm going to do the exact same thing here on the bottom of this bucket. Get this stuck in there. So this one's got a curved surface, where the other one was fairly round. Or fairly flat, I should say, not round. Okay. All right, very nice. So just to give you a closer look of this product here, it's basically just a rubber ring Yeah, the pipe fits very tight in there. And so how it works is it expands the backside whenever the pipe goes in, and it really snugs it up in there. So the urine's going to go in that bucket from the top here, and so the hose from the funnel will go into that. Well, these Unisil pipe to tank connectors are really cool. I like them a lot. I set up an Amazon store. It's linked in the description, and a lot of the stuff that I use on the property or building a tiny house I've got in that store, and these Unisil are in there. So if you buy them, you pay normal price, and I get a really small percentage from Amazon. It kind of helps me, you know, keep going and just have some financial backing. Well, thanks for watching this tiny house video. I'm Seth Johnson with Land House, and I will see you next time. Bye. So far, so good.